So I've already created one process template. Now let's actually copy this process template to a task list on a project. Now projects live inside boards, so let's go to boards. Now your ProcessKit account comes with one board already created for you, and that's called projects. Let's go into that board now. And let's create our first project here. Now that we're inside this new project that I just created, let's create a task list. When you create a task list, you could either pull in an existing process template, like the one that we've already created, or you can create a new task list, which could contain a number of one-off tasks. But we've already created a process template, so let's pull that in now and copy that to a task list. So now our process template has turned into a set of real tasks, and it automatically pulled in all of those details that we saved on the steps. It also automatically assigned the right people because I built that into the process template. And you'll see that it also automatically calculated the start and due date of the first task because I had some date rules set on that. Now these are actual tasks that can be checked off. And if you watched that last video, I talked about how the rest of these tasks would be dependent on when we've actually completed the sales call. So when I check this box off, you notice that the rest of these tasks, those dates have now automatically calculated based on the fact that we've just completed the sales call. That's all thanks to our dynamic date rules that we have built into the process, which automatically calculate these dates for us. Pretty cool. Now, one more thing, if you happened to stick around for the advanced automation stuff that I included in the last video, you might remember that the last step in this process actually isn't really the last step. There's actually a hidden 8th step, which should only be shown once we've completed the 7th step. So let's actually complete the 7th step now. And there it is. Now that the proposal has been accepted, the task for preparing the contract is now visible. That's thanks to the visibility rules that we had built into this step in our process. Now, if I back out to the projects board, we can see that this project is 38% along in its progress. And once we create other projects in this board, those will have their own instances of our process. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically load in task lists from your processes by customizing a board. Let's continue with setting up ProcessKit.